If you're a busy professional, you need quick and healthy meal prep hacks. Ready to save time and eat better? First up, mason jar salads. Layer your favorite veggies, proteins, and a delicious dressing at the bottom. Shake and enjoy at work. Next, sheet pan dinners are your best friend. Toss veggies and protein on a sheet pan, drizzle with olive oil, add your favorite spices, and bake. One pan, minimal cleanup. Don't forget about overnight oats. Mix oats, milk, yogurt, and your favorite fruits in a jar. Refrigerate overnight for a grab-and-go breakfast. Lastly, batch cooking is a lifesaver. Make big batches of grains, proteins, and roasted veggies. Mix and match throughout the week for different meals. There you have it. Quick and easy meal prep ideas to keep you healthy and energized. Happy prepping!